Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Learn with Gisela. In this video of cubes and cube roots, we shall be solving some questions based on cube roots. So let's start. The question is find the value of the following cube roots. So there are 8 parts to it. Let us solve them one by one. The first question is to find the value of cube root of 216 into minus 125. Now cube root of any negative number is always negative. So therefore keep a minus sign outside. Now 216 is 6 cube, 125 is 5 cube. Now take out one of the factor from each triplet. So we shall get minus 6 into 5, which is equal to minus 30. Now in the second question, we have to find the cube root of 27 into 2744. 27 is 3 cube, 2744 is 14 cube. Further 3 into 14 is 42. Now third question, cube root of 3375 into minus 729. Cube root of negative number is always negative, so let us keep minus outside. 3375 is 15 cube, 729 is 9 cube. Further take out one of the factors, so we shall get minus 15 into 9, which is equal to minus 135. Now fourth question, we have to find the cube root of a rational number 4913 upon 3375. Now 4913 is 17 cube, 3375 is 15 cube. So cube root of them we will get 17 upon 15 as an answer. Now fifth question, we have to find the cube root of 0.512 upon 0.314. Since decimal points are involved over here, we will count the decimal places. Over here there are 3 places. So in the cube root number we will have 1 place. So over here we have put 1 place of decimal. 512 is 8 cube. So we can say 0.8 cube. 343 is 7 cube. So we can say 0.7 cube. Right? And outside cube root of these numbers we can write 0.8 upon 0.7. One of the factors we have taken outside, right? And now we can remove the decimal and we can get 8 by 7. Now sixth question, cube root of minus 686 upon minus 2662. Now we can simplify it by dividing by 2. So we shall get minus 343 upon minus 1331. Further we can cancel out these minus sign. Now 343 is 7 cube, 1331 is 11 cube. Cube root of 7 cube upon 11 cube is 7 by 11. So this is the answer. Now let us move to 7th part. We have to find cube root of 0.027 minus cube root of 0.008. Now again there are 3 decimal places. So we will have 1 decimal place when we will form the cube. Now 27 is 3 cube and 8 is 2 cube. So while writing we shall write 0.3 cube and cube root of 0.2 cube. Now take out one of the factors from these triplets. We shall get 0.3 minus 0.2, which is equal to 0.1. Now 8th part, cube root of 0.027 upon 0.008 divided by square root of 0.09 and 0.04 minus 1. So this is the question, right? So first of all, let us solve the cube root part. 27 is 3 cube and 8 is 2 cube. There are 3 decimal places, so we shall write cube root of 0.3 cube upon 0.2 cube divided by, now over here square numbers are there. 9 is a square of 3 and 4 is a square of 2. So we shall write 0.3 square upon 0.2 square, right? And minus 1. Now over here take out one of the factors from the triplets also and from the square root also. So over here 0.3 upon 0.2 divided by 0.3 upon 0.2 minus 1, right? Now whenever we have two fractions a upon b divided by c upon d, always remember to solve them we actually multiply by their reciprocal, right? So over here also we will do the same thing. This is, suppose this is my a upon b and this is my c upon d, so I will actually multiply by the reciprocal of c by d will become d by c. Now further I can cancel out these, right? These will get cancelled. I will be left with 1, not 0 but 1. Always remember, when they are cancelling out, actually we are getting 1 over here, right? So 1 into 1 is 1 and minus 1 is already there. So 1 minus 1 is 0, right? So very important point to note, whenever you are cancelling out, there is 1 left, because 1 into 1 is the common factor. 1 into 1 is 1 and minus 1 is already there in the question from the beginning. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 is the answer, right? So this is it. Hope you have learned how to solve few questions related to cube roots. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Have a great day ahead.